what are some free online tools that you can use to start to create your online course? Let's take a look. First, remember I am here to help you design, create, and launch your online course. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to be notified of new videos that are uploaded each week to help you with course creation. So let's have a look at some free content or some free tools that you can use to be able to create your online course. Now you can download a free guide like this one here to be able to understand some different tools that you can use. So you can download this from the links in the description below. It's also on my website if you would like to download it. Today, we're going to briefly go through some different tools that you can use. If at any point you want me to explain or demonstrate these tools a little bit further, let me know in the comments below. So as you know, I divide course creation into 3 different categories: design, create, and launch. So likewise here, I have different tools that are appropriate for each of those phases. So when you are designing your course, you are planning and you are researching. In this phase, I use Google, I use YouTube, and I use Answer the Public to find keywords on what people are searching for in regards to online courses. Now these free tools are useful when you're starting your online course creation, but it doesn't mean that you have to switch to paid versions later on. I still use these now. When I find these keywords and I find information about what my audience are looking for, I then use Google Sheets to help me build my curriculum. And if you want to also build your curriculum in the same Google Sheet template that I have, download that in the links below as well. It helps you to really structure your entire course out during your designing and planning phase. When we come to the course creation phase, I use Canva every single day. I feel like I'm in there every single day. I use it to create images that are in my Thinkific courses. I use it to create thumbnails for my YouTube videos, for my Thinkific videos. I am in there every single day. I've also used it to create free downloadables such as this one, but also to download the checklist, the course creation checklist. The reason why I tell you that is that in that checklist, there are check buttons that you can tick off when you've completed them. And that was built in PDF Escape. So I built the PDF in Canva, downloaded it as a PDF, uploaded it into PDF Escape, and added the check boxes in, and then downloaded it again and uploaded it to Thinkific and uploaded it to my website. Likewise, in PDF Escape, you can also add in fillable areas, drop-down lists. There's so much that you can add in there. Smallpdf allows you to be able to join PDFs together, merge them together, separate PDFs. There's a lot that you can do in Smallpdf. There's also another one that I find really useful. I think it's called Easy PDF, and you can actually cut out specific things in the PDF and write text on top of it as well. There's so many that you can use for free to change PDFs around. When I am writing content, I do use Grammarly. I use it every single day. It's on my computer desktop. It's on my Chrome tabs. And I also use Hemingway. So I use these two to be able to review my grammar and to be able to review my spelling and help me to make things clearer when I'm writing them. I use OBS to record my videos, and in fact right now I'm using OBS. So this allows me to be able to record my video in an easy manner that I can quickly switch between different scenarios like that, and allows me to change it very easily to then later on reduce the amount of editing that I need to do. Again, remember, if you want any demonstrations and any of these tools that I'm talking about, let me know in the comments below and I can create a video for you. So that's OBS that I just showed you. Now, once I've got all my videos ready to go, I have used Davinci Resolve. I also use ShotCut, and that allows me to quickly be able to edit my videos. Now, in this, I have a template that I have saved that has all of my audio that I want to use, my intros, my outros, has any type of overlay text formatted the way I want it to. So really it's just a matter of listening to the audio, cutting out anything I don't like, maybe zooming in on particular sections that I want to focus on, and then just moving all of those saved elements around. Very easy. Once I've got my whole course ready, I upload to Thinkific. I also have been I also am going to be using my Zoho course creation app that I have, and that is called Trainer Central, which is also a online course tool because I use the Zoho suite, which you heard me talk about in a previous video. I'll have the link down below for you to look at some course creation apps as well. In Thinkific, however, you can have a free account that allows you to have one free course. Now, in the help guides, they show you how you can actually create multiple schools with multiple email addresses that then allows you to have one free course in each school. So that's written in the help guides. So it's not as if you're doing anything bad. They suggest that you can create different schools. The negative in that is that people won't be able to see the different courses. They'll each have different landing pages with a different course. But you can use, which we'll look at soon, a site to bring all of those landing pages together. One final thing, in my course creation, I use Google Slides a lot. Now, I use Google Slides to be able to have a presentation with audio that you can add to Thinkific. I also use Google Slides to create interactive activities. Again, you can look at the previous video where I talk a little bit about that and show you an interactive activity. Also, let me know if you want me to show you or and demonstrate how you can build one. So, finally, we're into our launching phase. Now, launching is when we're marketing and we're selling. Now, we can do these in Facebook groups that you build. You can do this by building relationships in Facebook Messenger. You can do this through email campaigns that you have. If you're using a MailChimp platform, if you're using Active Campaigns, they do have free versions. But you need to have your course hosted somewhere, and you need to have it on a website or on a landing page that people can sign up and pay for, right? That's the ultimate goal. So you can market it as much as you want, but you need to be redirecting them to your website. If you don't have a website, you can use your Thinkific website. So you can build one on there, a landing page and a home page and a courses page. You can also build one in MailChimp or Google Sites. So, for example, previously, or what you might see on my website, so in the previous video I demonstrated this, and also previously I explained that if you do use multiple Thinkific skills, you will have different landing pages. On my website, you will see that I've created a box or an image for each course that I have, that when you click on that, it goes directly to its Thinkific landing page. So you can have a Google site that has all of your courses, a description of all of your courses, that each one pushes to a different landing page that's part of a different Thinkific school. Now, you're watching my video here on YouTube. You can also do the same for your course videos. You can host them on YouTube and you can then link them into your course. You can also upload them directly to your platform, depending on what platform you are using. In YouTube, you can make them invisible, or you can hide them so they're not public viewing, only they are only viewable for people that have the link. And finally, for people to pay for your course, you can use PayPal and you can use Stripe. Both of them allow you to create a free account, but when transactions are made, there is a transaction fee. That's a percentage. Each of them are slightly different, but it's around the 2 to 3% mark. So, all of these are really useful tools that you can use that are all free, that help you to start out creating your online courses. And remember, I use a lot of these now. So once you've got your courses going, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to upgrade and use paid tools. You can use these forever. If you would like any of these demonstrated, let me know in the comments below. And do remember that I do upload a video each week to YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel to help me out, and also click the bell button to be notified of a new video each week. Until next week, happy course creating!